The Toyo Denki vf61s 9022-W1, which is a part of the vf61s series of motor controls, is a large 90 kilowatt motor control we received from a large manufacturer of packaging materials. We received this motor control in for repair from a shortened output and needing a full rebuild, which we performed after repairing the shortened output. This motor control was custom set up to its motor, so instead of resetting the settings, which the customer requested we not change, we tested the output of the drive after the work on a linear load. At ERD, we are always ready to accommodate requests from our customers and routinely back up settings and parameters for our users. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.